How's it going, guys? Welcome to Brash Garage. Today we are taking the Veloster out. We're going to get some driving clips of it, some inside, outside, hopefully some exhaust clips if we can find an empty road. We rode a little bit earlier today and traffic is crazy, so we're going to have to drive a little bit to find kind of a secluded road. And if you haven't seen this setup before, it's because it's my little studio. We got the black background, colorful lights, all the nice lighting in here. And if you want to see that, I actually stream all the time. I haven't told you guys yet, but I'm over on Twitch at Daw Streams, one word, Daw Streams on Twitch. And let's get out to the Veloster. All right, guys, how's it going? We are now in the Veloster. If you can't tell, one thing I love about this car is that the headliner is black, and so is like the oh shit handles and like the visors, man. It's all black. The N mode and custom. You know, you got to keep that little bit looser steering and suspension, man. This thing's a bounce house in full N mode. I absolutely love this car, guys. Driving this thing is such a treat. This thing, man, I drove the Civic the other day. Well, actually yesterday, and that was the first time driving it in a couple of weeks since I picked this thing up, because I think you guys know, you might not, I had a 2019 Jeep Trailhawk, and I was never really about the thing, and that was my daily driver, automatic. So I always took the Civic out when I wasn't going to work just to have like some fun, and I loved it. But now I got this fun car, boosted, 6-speed manual, way faster than the Civic, handles better, not gonna lie, because Civic's on stock suspension, but it kind of just felt like a fucking hoopty. I hate to say it, but the Civic felt like the biggest shit box. I absolutely hate the lightweight flywheel and the stage 6 clutch. It's just garbage, to say the least. It's horrible to daily drive, and I don't have any tracks near me. That's getting taken out as fast as it went in. Horrible. And it's going to get replaced with a normal weight flywheel and just a street clutch. Not a 9-pound lightweight flywheel and a fucking stage 6 unsprung clutch. It's too much. We're on the back road. We're going to get some outside shots, some inside shots. You know the deal. Just kind of show you guys around the Veloster. This isn't really like the walkthrough or anything of it. I'm going to do a better one of those. I love it. There's a nice rip for you guys. This thing gets up and going quick, and it's fun. It's not quite as rowdy as the Integra, that's for goddamn sure. And this car gets down and a half, let me tell you something. And the steering, the handling, everything's good. You get nice lots of crackles and burbles. We'll get an exhaust clip of that for you guys. The thing is absolutely glued to the road like none other. It's quite insane. Definitely more glued to the road than the Civic, man. The Civic's on stock suspension, yeah, but this thing is like glued, like straight up glued. It's really, really nice. You just like, there's not really any understeer or oversteer. There's a little bit more oversteer when you put it in like that full mode, but when I have it in now, you turn and it just turns in harder. It's something fierce of under 300 horse, dude. Hear those burbles and bobs? We got sniped with a sprinkler. Quicker. This car is so enjoyable to drive. This thing like actually rockets out of the corners, man. Like rockets. It's good. right, boys, let's do it. Should get some flybys though. That's really what I want to do next. Really want to try and get some flybys and shit. Alright boys, going back on the highway. We're done with the shots for the day. About to give her some sauce. She's learning how to drive stick right now. Should we do a video teaching my girlfriend how to drive stick shift?
God.
That would be quite the video. Every big car YouTuber's done it pretty much. Am I next? But not, except mine is the big car YouTuber part.
That'd be really funny. Like a humor video.
Right? That would be good though. I think that would actually be good.
I would do it. I would do it for the views.
For the memes.
For the memes. Y'all can laugh at my dumb ass.
Holy moly, that AC's cooled instantly. Oh, I love this car. I don't know what to tell you. Hats off Hyundai, hats off Albert Bierman. Yeah, but that's about gonna do me in, boys. We're gonna cruise this thing back home in the ice cold AC, maybe throw on some tunes. If somebody feels like racing once we get to a stoplight, might have to put them in their place. We'll film it. But until then, man, thanks for coming back out to Brash Garage. My first video after 9 months. Pretty well blew up overnight. I used to only rack in anywhere from like 10, 20, maybe 30 videos of video. I mean, 30 views of video. Put one up last night about the Veloster and a really junky thrown together video, because that's really all I had. I was just in shock getting this car when I was filming. And it's already at 20 views overnight. So thank you guys, appreciate it. If you want to see more Veloster and content, subscribe now, because there'll be plenty. I'll have this car for at least 5 years. That's 5 years worth of mods, boys. So subscribe if you haven't, liked if you liked the video, and comment any thoughts or criticism or anything you got for me in the comments below. Hit me with it. I appreciate it all. Peace out, everybody.